My name is Emmanuel. I'm an engineer. Midea is a brand I recommend for people. So what really makes me start using Midea? Quality and affordability.
When I was learning about 6 years ago, this was one of the first brands I learned about, and it's a very good brand. It's also what I recommend most times to my clients.
The product is actually very good products, which I believe people should actually use. Two of their products was actually targeting energy consumption, trying to reduce it and all.
Hello guys, what are you waiting for? Midea #1. It's a very durable product. You have to go get one.
MegaClimaExpo 2026, Midea #1.